The main reason we came to Los Angeles was because all the big stars are here. We've had a lot of them on our show. It's been an amazing week.
We were going to go to Cleveland, and apparently there's not a lot of stars there.
There's one, Conrad Bain.
Yeah.
From Different Strokes.
Right.
So watch for that next Sweeps. Every night.
Yeah, Conrad Bain.
It's going to be Bain Mania.
Yeah.
But we came here for big stars. We've had them this week. God knows, we've had a lot of the big stars. But I was thinking today, who better to take us on a tour of all the stars' homes than a very specific person? I'm talking about a very talented insult comic we met a few years ago. We met him at the Westminster Dog Show, and he's here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, with his tour of Hollywood, Triumph, the insult comic dog.
Happy morning, everyone, and welcome to the Triumph Hollywood tour of the homes of the Hollywood stars. Yes, we're in Hollywood, homes of many beautiful homes and many fabulous stars. For me to poop on! All right, how you folks doing? Everybody having a good time, yes?
Yeah! All right. Who's this guy right here?
My name's Frank.
Frank, oh good. What are you, Chinese or Japanese?
Chinese.
Yes. Since the war, they're all Chinese, right? No, I kid. You know how I know you're Chinese, man?
How?
Because you ate my dad! It always works.
All right, folks, we just passed on the left the Grauman's Chinese Theater, classical Hollywood landmark for me to poop on. And then coming up on your left, you'll see the Hollywood Wax Museum, site of many, many famous stars for me to poop on. Coming up to my right, you can see Will Rogers Park. That, of course, is the famous park where George Michael was caught licking himself. Okay, we're going to go over to Barbara Streisand's home. You remember she was in Yentl, yes. And if we're lucky, maybe she'll come out and say hello to us. All right, yeah, I bet she will.
Hey, Barbara! Barbara! Come on out, Barbara! Come out!
Please, Barbara!
We're big fans of all of your crap! Come on, Barbara! Come on out, you bitch! Let's go!
All right, you'll be sorry. We're coming up to the corner of Carroll Woods and Sunset, which back in 1994 I pulled over on and was sexually serviced by a coyote. Hey, Gregory's back!
Gregory! Come on out here, man! We know you're still alive! You can't fool us!
Okay.
Sorry about Gregory Peck, you two. Either one of you humped him? Who's up for a hump?
All right, folks, guess what? We're going to go to Liz Taylor's house now, eh? All right, yeah, I bet that makes you happy, old man. Yeah, you'd like a hump of that. Oh, yes!
Liz Taylor, come on out here! Come on, LT! Let's go! Come on, Liz! I got a 90-year-old guy here who's dying to hump you! Hey, Rod!
Rod Stewart!
Come out here, man! Come on, Rod! What's the matter? You ate a hairball or something? Getting your stomach pumped again? Come on out here, Maggie May! Wake up! We've got something to say to you! You suck!
That Benatar will give the damn.
Oh, look! That Danson from Cheers has guard dogs. I'll handle this, folks.
Hey! Listen! You probably seen me on TV, right? I want to see dancing! I said I want to see dancing! You want to me? You want to mess with me with the come on, baby! Don't come out of that cave, man! You want to rip you in the ass! back on the bus. Let's go.
All right, you know what, folks? You know what I've been thinking? Hollywood stars are crap, right? Forget it. Yeah. Let's go to the Wax Museum. It's right around here, okay? That'll be a good time, huh? Yeah! All right, yeah.
We're here at the exhibit of Benji, the renowned movie star, who, by the way, is queer. You'll notice that Benji has exceptionally long hair. It's done to cover up his excessive genital warts, which have spread to various other Benji regions. Here's Morris the cat, queer. Look, screw Morris, I know. Let's get to the good stuff.
We got the chemistry to make the fantasy become reality. You got the attitude to put me in the mood.
Right now, I'm humping the legs of the cast of On Golden Pond, winner of, oh yes, 5 Academy Awards.
I'm coming closer to ecstasy.
Folks, this is wax scrape. You can do so much with it. But guess what? I just thought of one more celebrity, and I know he'll hang out with us. He's lower than poop. He's shameless. Sounds good? Yeah. All right. Let's go, Tashi. Don't disappoint. Tashi! Come here, man. Tashi, yeah, you want to... Can we all say hello? Can we come down, man?
What do you want?
I want you to quit with the music. Come on. Will you come? Yeah, come, baby. Come, Tashi.
What are you
Bring
doing?
it down, Tashi. Yes. I told you. What I told you, people. This guy's got nothing better to do. I told you. I told you, man. This guy's no better than you. What did I tell you? Oh, yes. Shake his hand, now leave.
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Dash, you want in on this? Okay, suit yourself. Oh yes, oh yes. Okay, Grandma, here's what I want you to say to Dashi. Okay?
Mr. Tesh, I love your music. I buy all of your CDs, and I think you're great. And you're one of the best musicians ever for me to poop on.
Oh yes! Nailed you, Dashi! This is the best tour ever!
His name's Triumph. He's an insult comic. He's going to get us